Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things. And if you like my dark, smoky look, then there's a video called Witchy Look with Jeffree Star Cremated Palette. And check it out. And I wear the hat and everything. It's very fancy. But I thought, well, I have my face done up. Let's get to the Bijou Box. Better late than never. Today is October 5th. This is the September box. I love Bijou a lot, and I have a code for 20% off, either a subscription or a single box, and the code is Rhonda Said, just all one word. I love this box so much, even though she runs late since the COVID. She always ran a little late, but since COVID, she runs into the next month pretty regular. And she always personalizes your box, and it says, Rhonda, that's me! And then I've got a card that tells me nothing. It just says 5 products. Thank you so much for supporting our small business. Your support means the world to us. We are deeply sorry for our shipping delays, and we appreciate your kindness and patience as we continue to adapt during COVID. From our family to yours, we hope you are staying well and safe. Bijou Beauty Box. And then it tells you where you can check them out on Instagram, which is Bijou Beauty Box. So I don't know how much this is worth, but this is a $30 a month box. I'm gonna sneeze, kitties. Hello, kitties. Ooh, sneezy sneeze snack. Oh, we got a lot of good stuff in here. I see things from the Balm. And I bought one of these, but I couldn't find it. And this is great to have. And this is a brush cleaning pad. So I'm super glad to have it. And it's got the little place where you put it between your fingers and go blah, blah, blah. You go blah, blah, blah. And then it's clean. Next up, we have from Steve Laurent. It says Orchid. And it just says connect with us. And it's Orchid. Does it say what it is here? Steve Laurent lip oil. Oh, good. I love a lip oil. I am using ColourPop lip oil right now, and I love it. I've even bought a backup for it. Oh, this is pretty. Just a clear pink. And lip oils are all the rage right now. I'm not gonna open it because I don't know if I'm gonna keep this or give it away, because I'm a generous lass and I do give quite a bit of things away. I have lots of giveaways coming up. From Flaunt Beauty, Magnetic Faux Mink Lashes and Magnetic Liner. These are enormous. I don't know if I can handle these lashes. It's great to get magnetic lashes, but those are like monster lashes, which some people love. That monster lashes would look really great with this fancy look I have right now. But maybe I'll try those at another time, and it's in the variety called Soul, S-O-L. Then we have Smoke Bomb with foil, and it is a 3-pan eyeshadow palette, and it makes a beautiful smoky look. That is very pretty, nice neutrals. This is definitely going to go in somebody's giveaway for sure. And last but not least, we have a palette, and this palette is very exciting. I saw pictures of it. I've been looking forward to it. Oh, Kitty's digging in the tissue paper. And this is the Amber Dazzle palette. Amber Dazzle, the jewel palette. It's got beautiful packaging. Okay, Louie. I don't know what I'm gonna do. These cats just want to dig. He just wanted to play with that so bad. I love my kitties. You guys know I love my kitties. But damn cats. Damn fam. And it's got all the ingredients back here. And a little plastic piece to keep this. Oh, ooh. This is really pretty. Look at those glitters. I love a glitter. It looks like it's got mattes and shimmers. Ooh, that feels good. I'll just do very pigmented. Very nice. The matte looks nice and creamy. The shimmers are beautiful. I look forward to doing a look with this palette. So for our box this month, we've got an eyeshadow palette, a second eyeshadow palette, a lip oil, magnetic lashes, and a brush cleaner, which is great for $30 to get all this stuff, and it's all good stuff. Look at that. That is some awesome quality. So I want to thank Bijou for continuing to be great. And everybody's struggling with COVID. A lot of places aren't fully back to business, so we totally understand. But I hope you guys have a great day. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.